going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 1/28/2021. I am doing a hit recap from our 2020 Panini 12-box football mixer. Guys, this was loaded. 4 certified, 4 rookies and stars, 4 XR from 2020. All cards shipped. These are cards 50 or below, relics and autos. So we got Alex Highsmith to 50, to 25, George Kittle. No name, Melvin Gordon to 50. That one's a pretty cool one. To 49 from Rookies and Stars, Jerry Jeudy. To 35, Keyshawn Vaughn. Xavier McKinley to 35. Henry Ruggs is to 25. Roethlisberger to 49. We got Blacklock to 49. Jerry Jeudy here to 35. 49, Devontae Adams. To 49, we got Damon Arnett. To 49, Jonathan Taylor. Allen Robinson is to 35. And to 35, Nick Chubb. To 10, Quintez Cephas. Rob Gronkowski and Jake Fromm to 49. Okay. Autos. Relics, whatever. Relics are right here by my hand. Let's do them. All right. Amari Cooper, Roll Tide. Turn these this way. Here we go. Cole Kmet to 25. Devin Duvernay. You got Gabriel Davis to 99. We got Derwin James to 299. To 299, Jerry Jeudy. To 199, Van Jefferson. And we got Dallas Goedert to 199. And to 199, Jonathan Taylor. Okay, more. To 199, Smith-Schuster and Claypool. To 199, Jonathan Taylor, Antonio Gibson, both to 199. And there's Jonathan Taylor again. Big time, A.J. Brown, C.D. Lamb and Prescott. Then XR to 49, you got Davis and Fromm. We got a Justin Herbert. Antonio Gibson X-ray to 25 and a Tua to 49. Okay, let's look at some more autos here. From XR, Luminous Endorsements to 99, DeAndre Swift. Let's check out autos here. To 25, Everson Griffin. Dante Hall, 1 out of 49. Derek Brown to 20. We got Russ Grimm. That's to 49. To 60, Henry Ruggs III. Antonio Gibson to 75. Derek Brown to 75. Charles Tillman to 15 out of XR. And Jeff Gladney to 199. Relic autos. Let's take a look here. You have KJ Hamler, 499. Tyler Johnson, 249. Zach Moss, 99. LaMichael Pirine, 349. We've got Chase Young to 99. Patrick Peterson to 25. A.J. Dillon to 25. Jalen Reagor to 149. Keyshawn Vaughn to 199. Sorry, that one is. And LaMichael Pirine to 75. Pulled I forgot I put this over here, a 1/1 DeAndre Swift. 1/1 showing up. Get that encased. Pulled not one Jalen Hurts relic auto. Not one, but 2 of them. 1 out of XR, 1 out of Rookies and Stars. And I had 2 redemptions here. 1 for Minnesota, a Dress for Success, Justin Jefferson, and a Cam Akers, Rookie Swatch Autographs White. All right, guys, that'll do it. Again, more football on the site. Appreciate it.